word. I'm gonna start off. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish flop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 up on the knee. 3, 4 on the other knee. Hands in like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to go 1, 2, flex foot. 4. Then it's 5, 6, Rondajon. 7, 8 is the side. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grab the rifle. From the rifle, grab. You're going to grab the rifle 6. You're going to step with the right foot as you go over into the coaster. Hand it to them on 8 or 2, I guess. Hand it to them on 2. Keep rolling the same direction until you're to them. On 4, you're gonna put your hand out 5, 6. Hold 7, 8. Then you're going to hinge up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab 5, 6. Turn around 7, 8. Massage hand left foot. 1, 2, 3. Just gonna step.